Everybody in this organization is naming their rules, actions, and task list something different. No one's following any sort of naming convention. So how important are names anyway? They're very important. So grab a snack and I'll show you. Remember when a certain celebrity named their kid a bunch of symbols and numbers? It caused chaos. My parents spelled my name Christian with a K. Chaos. So naming conventions in OnBase are important. I'm gonna jump into Studio and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. So here I've built out two life cycles that pretty much do the same thing. The first one that I want to show you is the OG naming convention method, the original taught by Hyland back in the day. It more explains what the rules and actions do. There's nothing wrong with it. It's, listen, any naming convention is good as long as it's standardized, as long as everyone is kind of using the same thing. Otherwise, you go in to search for things, or you're looking at a life cycle, going in and trying to troubleshoot, you don't really know what it does without drilling into the properties. I tend to shy away from this method because I'm really bad at writing sentences. So I go more towards shorter, concise names, which I'll show you. Now, if I go into the new way, you can see right off the bat, it's prettier. I have an easier time just going down beat by beat through all these actions and rules and knowing what it does. Why? Because it has a prefix. So that prefix allows us to identify what object, what element within workflow is being modified. So I know, hey, that first one, that action is being taken on a keyword. So the other good thing is that if I want to reuse some of my rules and actions, if you look at the drop down here, everything is sorted based on that prefix. Now we have all of our keyword actions grouped together. We have all of our transition tasks grouped together. And for me, it just makes it easier to work, easier to troubleshoot. It's also easier to adopt this structure and document it. You might be watching this and be thinking, but Christian, I just want to do things my way. I really like the old way. I'm not asking you to change your whole process. I'm just giving you a different option, an option that hopefully will save you and your team time that you can use. You got it. Have a snack. Someone sent me an actual new snack to try. I've never had this before. It's edamame beans, crunchy roasted, and it's sriracha flavored. This is gonna end up becoming a snack review videos instead of OnBase tips and tricks, but cheers. Oh, it's really good. I might finish the bag. It's a little dry.